And it's because of those reasons that I think Isaiah said. Okay, you know what? Okay, fine. Like my old headset broke, so I got this new headset, which is next gen, but the audio on the mic is questionable, and I feel like it's not really up to par for a video that just has me ranting the entire time. I guess I'm just gonna wait a second.
Is that my friend?
Don't call me
Dude.
friend, Sandstorm.
Oh, we'll play one more and then I'll show you the way. Did you just take medicine? Yummy. Dude, orb
Die.
down here.
Okay, you make noises more often than I do. Oh god. Nope. You die. Hey.
Teleport. Teleport.
You wanna do that again? Ha! You get this. You're not real Sandstorm, dude. I see you in tournaments. You look depressed all the time.
Use it because much.
Oh. Hey, why'd you stop talking?
What'd you say? You madman. You're garbage.
Okay, well, I didn't want to go the other way because I was like, hey.
It's not like I can kill you.
Do that again. Do that again. Hey, not that. When I ground pound to escape your ground pound.
That's actually optimal. I would have hit any other player. Get nade.
What is that? He's tilting me. Dude,
ouch.
just make these noises in tournament. You'll never lose ever again.
Dude, versus Cody Travis and doubles, I called him Bucky Brown. I was like, let's have a good set, Bucky Brown.
You try to sing off the side. Yeah, I do. Feel the power of my lance. Wait, actually, ha. Okay. Can you like unbreak Scarlet Sig now, please? Hey, you
Here,
mind?
baby.
Call me baby. I'm actually older than you.
How old are you?
18. Oh my god. EXP. And you're not talking either, because you know I'm the elder. This is the ultimate edge guard technique.
Extra end light. I'm 17, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry, but I'm older than you.
Dude,
And I'm
check this
about
out.
highlight of my day. Makes like the dumb.
Oh, here we go, dude.
I've just SD'd.
Oh, you're a horse at the. Oh yeah, let's go.
What'd you just call me?
You're
a
horse
horse.
at the game. This guy's an actual
I'll
god.
save you.
Oh. Oh.
I have no idea what just happened.
Woo! Okay, that's a friendly two style.
Yeah, well, I didn't know you were
We're
gonna
gonna
whip.
kill him with Nair, okay?
With
Get your guns
Nair.
ready.
With a Nair.
Heck yeah. Here, baby. No, we're killing with downlight. Stop the Nair.
Okay, that's not impossible.
No, stop. Only end light.
Neutral light.
Yeah, do that. I end light, then you end light.
You realize it doesn't do knockback.
I beg to differ.
I'm not even gonna try. I didn't even mean to hit him.
Oh hey, it's Thor. Schwerpy, make that video.
It's not oh hey, it's oh it's looked. You know what? I'm gonna call it oh hey, it's Thor now.
Can you do that?
Just because you said that, yes. I don't know how that works.
No, just NSYNC. Okay, like stand here.
Sandstorm
You have to say
is a nutter
very-
butter.
I think we should go double racks. Does that sound good? I have to agree. You should go racks.
You actually just said we should do Lord of Racks. Does that sound good? I agree. You answered yourself.
Dude, world class champion right here.
What is this?
That's what I like to see. Oh, this guy's not dead yet. Hold up. There
Okay.
you go.
Okay, his
partner's
teammate just-
stupid.
You're crazy.
All right.
Oh my god.
He's so garbage.
Oh, dude, he spot dodges like you.
What's that supposed to mean? Oh,
It means he is
trying
an
to call
asshole.
me passive garbage.
Parry, boomy, harder than a spider. Wait, no. I forgot how the tweet goes. Sandstorm, we're gonna lose. Get off my turf after I sent you to it. Whoa, whoa.
No!
Oh, what are you doing, Sandstorm?
Is he the new best player in the world?
He sports urgins. Do you have PayPal?
I was like, oh, I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, I got PayPal.
If you 0 to death someone this game, you get $10.
Alright, here you go. See?
Oh my god.
You're doing nothing.
What do you mean? This is you. You're on the spotlight. Oh, is this the 0 to death? No. No. You know, fine. I'll bring them to 0 so you can do
I
your
need help.
thing.
Yeah.
I'll do it to him. There you go. Oh.
No,
Oh, you can't do it on Barraza anymore.
I can't do it to any of them. I touched them both. Alright,
old
I have one more
grandma.
chance.
You're an
Kill
old
this.
grandma. Yeah, do it on Azov.
Here we go. No.
Whoops.
Oh, I'm gonna kill myself.
No, you have one on Barraza if you don't die.
Domateo. Oh, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
There goes Daniel.
Yeah, my name's Daniel, by the way.
Oh, is it actually?
No.
You got this, I believe. Bye.
Wow.
No! Fat people.
What? Here's your time. I'm just gonna be up here in space.
Yeah.
Like, how come you couldn't, like, just do what you did to me earlier? What are you doing? Okay, he's not
It's not
better
that
than me.
hard.
There's no way he's better than me.
It's not-
Okay. Sandstorm. Oh my.
this is hard. Come here, baby. Baby cake.
Oh my god.
No! You got this, bro. And sit.
Well, see you later. Here, I have an arsenal of bombs. They all miss.
No way! I'm at my last stock, dude. I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna have to get this guy. Oh no! No! Dude, I'm out.
Ah!
There goes Daniel. Time for 2 videos then.
More
With your
than-
boy.
Your boy Schwerpy. Let's go. Abacus. Abacus.
Dabosaurus Rexosaurus.
No, I'm sorry, but mine's better.
Oh.